Get ready to ignite your taste buds with a fiery twist. We are about to create a spicy honey mustard sauce that goes perfectly with anything from chicken tenders to French fries. Into the medium bowl, we're going to add in 1/4 of a cup of Dijon mustard, 1/4 of a cup of honey, 1/4 of a cup of mayonnaise, 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar, 1/4 of a teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of red pepper flakes. We're going to whisk these ingredients together until they are smooth. I have a mason jar to store mine in. You can use any type of airtight container.